So hey guys, today I'll teach you how to use mirror tool in Maya. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna create a sphere and now we're gonna rotate it by 90, so I know 990. The zero is now 90, yeah, this is fine. And we're gonna scale it out and we're gonna do something on one end and we're gonna add one edge in between. We're gonna what we're gonna do is we're gonna create one edge, see something on one side of the object. We're gonna decrease the size of it, extrude it outwards, then extrude it outwards like that, and then move it outwards like that, and then extrude it inwards, and then move it out. Sorry, move it out, and then do the same thing. Extrude outward, inwards. Now extrude it inwards. A bit like a cycle handle from the end, you could say. So it's an example. So now what we can do, we're gonna select all these faces, this side faces. We're gonna get it to the center line of the graph. So that's done. Now I'm gonna press F8, come in the object mode, and I will go to mesh, mirror, and I'll select this. You can do it in all these axes, X, Y, and Z axis. I'm gonna do in Z axis. Let's see what happens. It mirrors the object over there. Like there's a gap because it is not in exact center. So what I'm gonna do is go to the top view and select the faces first. Not S. I want, yeah. One second. Let me just check. One second, guys. Yeah, it does. It did not put a key on it. It's fine. And now it's okay. So press F8 again. Mesh mirror. Yeah, this is fine now. So you guys see, this is called mirror tool. So what it does, it mirrors the object in one axis, whatever axis we want. So you can choose the axis, like this is the y axis, you can do x axis, you can do z axis, whatever axis you want. That's your choice. So hope you guys like it. Please hit the like button and please subscribe as well, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.